Do you want to heal your kidneys? Incorporating kidney-friendly drinks into your daily routine can aid in detoxification, reduce inflammation, and promote kidney function. Here are the top 20 best drinks to help heal your kidneys and to support kidney health. Number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is a popular kidney-friendly drink because of its ability to prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons helps dissolve calcium deposits and prevent the formation of kidney stones by reducing the buildup of minerals in the kidneys. Additionally, lemon water is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which support the immune system and help reduce inflammation. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can give your kidneys a gentle detox boost and keep them functioning optimally. Number 2. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is well known for supporting urinary tract health, which is directly connected to kidney health. The compounds in cranberries help prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can affect the kidneys. Cranberry juice also contains antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Choose unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid added sugars that can strain the kidneys, and enjoy it as a daily kidney supportive drink. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have anti-inflammatory and kidney protective effects. Regular consumption of green tea can help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, which is often associated with chronic kidney disease. Green tea also has a mild diuretic effect, which helps increase urine production and promote detoxification. Drinking a cup of green tea daily provides a gentle, kidney-friendly source of hydration and supports overall kidney health. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea has strong anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for kidney health. Gingerols, the active compounds in ginger, help reduce inflammation and support kidney function by lowering oxidative stress in the body. Ginger tea also aids in digestion and detoxification, which indirectly supports the kidneys by easing their workload. A warm cup of ginger tea can be both soothing and beneficial for anyone looking to support their kidney health. Number 5. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to increase urine production and flush out toxins. This gentle diuretic effect makes it beneficial for kidney health, as it reduces fluid retention and helps the kidneys filter waste more effectively. Dandelion tea also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support liver and kidney function, making it an excellent drink for detoxification. Consuming dandelion tea regularly can help support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Before we proceed to the next kidney healing drink, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 6. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is rich in curcumin, an anti-inflammatory compound known to protect kidney cells from damage. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of kidney disease and promoting overall kidney function. In addition to its kidney protective benefits, turmeric tea is also beneficial for heart health and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Drinking turmeric tea regularly can support both your kidneys and overall wellness. Number 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is rich in antioxidants and natural nitrates, which help improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. Two factors that support kidney health. The betalains in beets also have anti-inflammatory properties, which protect kidney tissue from damage. Beetroot juice aids in cleansing the kidneys and liver, promoting a more effective detoxification process. Due to its high oxalate content, beetroot juice should be consumed in moderation, especially by people prone to kidney stones. Number 8. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. A blueberry smoothie made with a low-potassium milk alternative can be a delicious way to support kidney health while providing essential nutrients. Blueberries are also low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them an ideal fruit for kidney-friendly diets. This smoothie is both refreshing and kidney-boosting, perfect for supporting your body's detoxification process. Number 9. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice has natural detoxifying properties that support both liver and kidney health. It helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, promoting a healthy filtration process. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe the kidneys. Hydrating and low in sugar, aloe vera juice can be a gentle and effective addition to a kidney-supportive regimen. Drink it in small amounts, as aloe vera can have a laxative effect if consumed in large quantities. Number 10. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is packed with vitamin A, an essential nutrient that supports kidney health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Vitamin A deficiency is often linked to kidney disease, and adding carrot juice to your diet can help keep your kidneys in good shape. Carrots are also naturally low in potassium, making them a safe option for those with kidney issues. A glass of fresh carrot juice provides a tasty and nutritious way to boost kidney health. Number 11. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is highly hydrating and provides a natural diuretic effect, which supports the kidneys in flushing out waste and toxins. The high water content in watermelon helps dilute the urine, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Rich in antioxidants like lycopene, watermelon juice also helps protect kidney cells from damage. This sweet and refreshing drink is ideal for summer days and can be enjoyed in moderation to support kidney health. Number 12. Pineapple juice. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce kidney inflammation. Its high vitamin C content also provides antioxidant support, helping protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Pineapple is naturally low in potassium, making it a safe option for individuals with kidney concerns. A small serving of pineapple juice each day can support kidney health and provide a delicious source of hydration. Number 13. Apple cider vinegar drink. Diluted apple cider vinegar is beneficial for kidney health due to its acetic acid content, which helps dissolve kidney stones and prevent their formation. Apple cider vinegar also helps balance pH levels in the body, creating an environment less favorable for stone formation. Drinking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water each day can support kidney function, but be sure to dilute it to protect your teeth and stomach lining. This drink can also aid in overall detoxification and support metabolic health. Number 14. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is a natural diuretic that helps flush out excess fluids and toxins from the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney damage. It's also rich in antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Hibiscus tea has been shown to lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney health, as high blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease. Drinking hibiscus tea daily can support both kidney and cardiovascular health. Number 15. Celery juice. Celery juice is a powerful kidney cleanser due to its natural diuretic properties, which encourage the kidneys to excrete excess waste and fluids. Celery also contains antioxidants and nutrients that reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. This juice is especially beneficial for preventing kidney stones, as it helps dissolve mineral deposits that may accumulate in the kidneys. Drinking a small glass of celery juice daily can provide significant support for kidney detoxification. Number 16. Nettle Tea. Nettle tea is a traditional remedy for kidney health, as it supports urine production and reduces fluid retention. Nettle is rich in antioxidants, which help protect kidney cells and support detoxification. Drinking nettle tea can also help reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation, both of which are beneficial for kidney health. This herbal tea is a gentle and effective way to support kidney function. Number 17. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is packed with antioxidants that support heart health and blood pressure, both of which have direct effects on kidney function. Pomegranate also contains potassium, which can aid in balancing electrolytes in the body. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, pomegranate juice helps protect kidney cells from damage. Choose unsweetened pomegranate juice to enjoy these benefits without added sugars. Number 18. Chanca Piedra Tea. Chanca Piedra, also known as stonebreaker, is a herb traditionally used to prevent and dissolve kidney stones. This herbal tea supports kidney health by helping dissolve calcium deposits and flushing out waste. Chanca Piedra also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect kidney cells from damage. Drinking this tea in moderation can support kidney health, particularly for those at risk of kidney stones. Number 19. Rosehip Tea. Rosehip tea is high in vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties that support kidney health. This tea also acts as a mild diuretic, promoting the elimination of waste and reducing fluid retention. In addition to supporting kidney function, Rosehip tea has anti-inflammatory benefits that can protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Regular consumption of Rosehip tea can provide a gentle detox and kidney support. Number 20. Water. Water is the simplest and most essential drink for kidney health. It helps flush out toxins, regulates body temperature, and ensures the kidneys function optimally. Drinking an adequate amount of water each day prevents dehydration, which can strain the kidneys and lead to issues like kidney stones. Staying hydrated also dilutes waste in the kidneys, reducing the risk of crystal formation and helping to avoid kidney-related problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.